how to customize the blockchain key store notifications on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on security and privacy. After that, we scroll down and tap on more security settings. Now tap on Samsung blockchain key store. Then in here, tap on notifications. At the top here, tap on allow notifications to turn on notifications for the Samsung blockchain key store app. Or you can switch it off to turn off the notifications coming from this app. Down here is the alerts section. You can choose whether the notifications will arrive in silence, or you can choose to raise the alert sound and vibration. You can also choose the notification types, allow notifications to display on the lock screen, and to allow or don't allow pop-up notifications from the Samsung blockchain key store. Finally, you can also choose to show or hide the notification content from the Samsung blockchain key store. And that's it. That is how you can customize it. And finally, you can tap on the back key, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.